Hello everybody, my name is Jay. I'm one of the expert OET teachers here at E2 Language. I hope you're all well in lockdown, or hopefully now everything's starting to open up in your society. I have some exciting news from OET which I'll share with you now. Okay, so this is a media release from OET Official, and what they've done is they've announced an agreement to create an at-home OET test that will be remotely proctored, which means that it'll be very secure, but you will be able to take OET in your own home, which is pretty cool. So they're aiming to launch this computer-based version of the OET in the coming months. So it's not available now, but it will be available pretty soon, which is pretty exciting. Now down here we can see that there's going to be the reading, listening and writing subtests of the OET will be available via computer-based delivery. And the speaking subtest will be carried out with a human interlocutor, a person who's going to do the role play, via video conferencing software. So again, you'll take the reading, listening and writing on the computer, remotely proctored or securely, and you'll take the speaking in a sort of, I guess maybe a Zoom type of call or something like that. Cool, so that's exciting news. If you do need practice or preparation for your OET, check out e2language.com. You can sign up for free. You can join some of our live classes. You'll get a full mock test on there. And then if you want to upgrade your package for tutorials, writing feedback, all the live classes, etc., you can do that as well. Cool. I'll see you soon.